I recently stayed at the Crowne Plaza London Docklands by IHG, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the staff were incredibly welcoming and helpful right from the get-go. They made the check-in process super smooth, explaining everything clearly. We even got a free upgrade to a king superior room with an awesome view because our standard room wasn't ready yet, which was a nice surprise. It really set a positive tone for our whole stay. Room, bathroom, and the amenities. The room was super cozy and quiet, which was perfect for unwinding after a busy day. I loved that it had a private bathroom with a shower and even a bathtub. So many options. Plus, they had all the essentials like free toiletries, towels, and a hairdryer, which is always a nice touch. Oh, and the mini fridge and electric kettle were lifesavers for late-night snacks and morning coffee.
The location and surroundings.
The location was seriously awesome for getting around, especially if you're hitting up the XL or the O2 Arena. It was just a short walk to the XL, which was super convenient, and getting to the O2 was a breeze with the cable car or public transport. Plus, having the DLR and Elizabeth lines so close by made exploring London really easy. There were also plenty of cool restaurants and even a Tesco Express nearby, so we never had to go far for a bite or anything we needed. Food, drinks, and dining options. When it comes to food, I was really impressed. The hotel restaurants served up some lovely meals, and I heard great things about their dinner options, though I didn't get a chance to try dinner myself. The breakfast spread was fantastic, so many varieties to choose from, and it was definitely value for money. I even saw some people taking drinks back to their rooms to finish, which was a neat perk. Plus, there are tons of other restaurants just a 5-minute walk away if you fancy something different. What's it like to stay here?
Staying here, I felt totally relaxed and taken care of, like I was on a proper getaway. The vibe was super chill, and I loved how easy it was to just unwind, whether I was chilling in my room with a river view or heading to the pool. Everything felt fresh and new, and honestly, it was just a really comfortable and enjoyable experience all around. I'd definitely come back for another staycation or if I'm in the area for an event.
Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. Super friendly staff. Everyone from reception to the cleaners was incredibly welcoming and helpful. Comfortable and well-equipped rooms. Our room was cozy, quiet, and had everything we needed, including a mini fridge and a bathtub. Great location for events. It was super convenient for the XL and getting to the O2 with good public transport links nearby. Delicious and varied breakfast. The breakfast spread was excellent with lots of choices and definitely worth the money.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Annoying pool showers. The pool showers were a pain, constantly turning off, making it impossible to properly rinse off. My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.3 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Despite the minor hiccup with the pool showers, which honestly wasn't a deal breaker, the overall experience was fantastic. The super friendly staff, comfy rooms, and amazing location make this place a top pick for me, and I'm already looking forward to my next visit. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.